Dr. W.R. Karluki jang pasang NPP ubadiru kertong yang monlang jang sarkar MDA haga sing tho ding jang katayo la syadjet ku member jang parlimen syakara Raja Sabha ban mikmat daga jela daga penliam yau kertong keseng kongres uba Kennedy si kriam haga ni kejing jiat unong mikmat bertemai ke jela ban let mikmat syakara Raja Sabha la penlong haga anek sol jang ke yang dorbar thawan ke jela relbong haga balawan shim benta di MLA ke badan keliang sensyar bat keliang persya ke bekentub iu menteri rang ba ke jela konrad kongkal sangma unong ilam keliang persya Dr. Mukul M Sangma ulam phang yang dorbar thawan ke jela ba met ba lengdo bat ki weki MLA ki MLA haswa bandrung haga jakat thep vote kila sha thau jing shet bat kila bot denti gi kendon jing betha jong ketenat ka koi ka khya haga bedai ba gijing pang COVID-19 Hagani ke election na kinru pongut ki MLA san pukandai ngot kila poi ban thep vote hnrei tang MLA ka khnam na ka North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum shim lawan bani shim benta Haga jing yo vote ka blalong hakni hi kesngi Dr. W.R. Karluki ulayo live kandai vote kadba uba Kennedy si kriem ulayo khat kandai vote kadbai ka wi ka vote shim lakhen namar badan ki jing bakla ban chupan kan mau hakini ki hinru snam ki belalet ka kong wan suk siem kalami khmat ka jela kum ka MP Syakara Raja Sabha bat mentai kan samoy onlet ban mi khmat dau Dr. W.R. Karluki
Okay. You have taken the before.
Well, I'm very happy because it is a democratic process. Like what I said, whenever election is held, it shows that our democracy is very vibrant. So I'd like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, then the Speaker, the Deputy Chief Minister, all his ministers and MLAs of the MDA, and my party colleagues and the other party in the MDA for really giving me this privilege to serve the state. Well, my priority is that I'm elected as MP from this state. I'll try my level best to serve the people of the state in whatever capacity I could. All of you have known that the Citizen Amendment Act, a resolution was passed in the Assembly demanding an exemption of the state of Meghalaya. Well, as a representative representing the MDA, I have to follow it up in Delhi, as per the resolution, that CAA should be exempted from Meghalaya. Yes, it was, the resolution was fully.
Yes.
Fully.